All right, intermediate algebra. Today we are starting our inequalities unit. So the first one is solutions of inequalities, algebraic. And here's what you're going to be doing. They're going to give you this coordinate point right here, and they're going to ask you, is that a solution to this inequality right here? So basically all we have to do is we've got to take the x value, plug it in for x, and we've got to take the y value, we plug it in for y, and we got to see, is this thing true or not? So you're going to see I plugged in the -2 for the y value, I plugged in the +1 for the x value, and I'm going to solve it. -6 times 1 is -6. -6 and -3 makes -9. So is -2 greater than or equal to -9? Well, in this case, yes it is. -2 is greater than -9. Nice way of thinking about that is -2 warmer than -9? And yes, it is. Next one, let's try one more here. So again, here's our coordinate point. The x coordinate is -3, the y coordinate is 2. We're going to plug it into this inequality. I've done that right here. -4 times -3 is +12. -10 times +2 is -20. 12 minus 20 is -8. So is -8 less than -9, or is -8 colder than -9? No, it's not. -8 is actually greater than -9. So this one would be a no answer. That's all you're doing, guys. Good luck. Bye-bye.